Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're going to be doing a quick review on Hotpot. Now Hotpot AI is all about AI image. You can spark creativity with AI. You get AI art generator, power editor, AI characters, AI logos, AI stock photos, AI backgrounds, AI anime. You can also get headshots. So you imagine yourself with AI, getting a headshot, corporate headshot, lunar new year headshot, avatar, cosplay headshot, real estate headshot, medical headshot, Xmas headshot, profile picture headshot. We also have under AI editing, you can edit photos with AI. For photo upscaling, object remover, background remover, photo restyler, photo colorizer, photo restorer, face enhancer, auto crop, color generator. We also have AI game section where you can create game content with AI. AI game tools, AI game characters, AI game background, AI game copywriter, AI game logo, AI D&D generator. We also have what's called AI writing aspect, also where you can elevate your writing with AI. All of this under Hotpot. So for content brainstorming AI, for art and NFT idea, copywriting, songwriting, book writing, professional writing, product writing, and so much more. So you see, Hotpot is about sparking creativity and productivity with AI. It helps you create amazing images, graphics, and writing with AI. Visualize ideas with AI generator. Reimagine yourself with AI headshots or spark creativity with other players from their AI platform. Automate away regularly with AI photo editing tools while easy to edit templates empower anyone to create social media posts, marketing images, app icons, and other work graphics. On the AI image generator, you can see it. You can visualize ideas, reimagine yourself, you can see. Halloween headshots too. It's for editing of images. So here remove the background here, remove a particular object. So here we have social media posts, content, create content for social media, Facebook posts, Instagram posts, YouTube banners. We have app content here. You can create app graphics and contents. You can see iOS and Android mockups, iOS graphics, Android graphics. And then we have explore more things you can do. Image tools, you can see this image made better. Logo generation here, colorize the photo, upscaling image 10 times, moving up background, and let's look at the pricing quickly. Let's see if we can have access to the pricing. So you need to buy credits. Yeah, you buy credits. Pricing vary by person settings. So to see specific prices, try the Hotpot products you want to use. The prices will appear as you adjust the settings. Most Hotpot products offer free access for exploration. Commercial use and advanced settings require credits. For team, high volume or self-hosted pricing, please contact them. Self-hosted, you can connect by clicking here. Self-hosted is designed for enterprises who value control and security in exchange for a premium. When you buy credit, click on this. Educators and influencers. They frequently run collaboration with influencers and educators seeking to share Hotpot Plus with their audiences. To request discounted or free credits, please reach out. Due to the volume of interested collaboration, we do not do paid collaborations at the time. If you work at Google Cloud, please reach out also. You can explore so much more. So when you're with the phone, there's so much to gain from using Hotpot. Get started today.